Applying ice and heat to sore muscles is great for relieving pain. Homemade cold and hot packs are quick and easy to make. It only takes 3 easy steps to make your own DIY rice sock. You'll need 1 clean cotton sock, 2 to 3 cups of uncooked rice, and a refrigerator and/or a microwave. Start by filling your sock with rice using a spoon or a funnel. I made a quick funnel out of a piece of paper. Next, tie a knot at the top of your sock to keep the rice from falling out. Finally, cool your rice sock in the freezer for about 45 minutes or heat it in the microwave with a cup of water for 1 to 2 minutes. Apply your rice sock for 15 to 20 minutes to relieve your aches and pains. Thanks for watching, and remember, make your family a close-knit family.